Hello, welcome aboard Google Cloud again. Today we're going to be talking about Kubernetes Engine GKE. So you can see by going to check the clusters. Maybe we can create a cluster for sure. And what is GKE? Security and manage Kubernetes services for 4-way-hour scale and multi-cluster support. That's very important. Like they're just creating some environment variables, like just saying in my zone and checking all of that. You can see the commands, and it's very simple to start with that. Very start quickly with single click clusters, like it's very easy in the console to use to set up everything. You leverage a high availability control plan include multi-zone and regional clusters. So you have to check the difference in what is control plane and data plane. Control plane, we can compare to your boss. Data plane is you that executes the tasks that your boss gives to you. Let's create a cluster by the command like creating until that blue button is going to be gray. You cannot create another cluster while one is being created. So once I click that again, it's going to be gray and it's going to have an available cluster for you to work on. Also, good things there are cloud monitoring are fully integrated with all the infrastructure of the Kubernetes already for you. It's secure by default, including vulnerability scanning of the container images and data encryption at rest. Many things in that can speed up the app development without sacrificing security. You can develop a wide variety of apps with the support for stateful serverless and application accelerators using the native CI/CD tooling. It's a very great solution. After we talk about the key features, that I can talk about the Kubernetes stuff for you guys. Take some time to create a cluster. Since I never edit the videos or cut and stuff. I do all the stuff with non-stopping things. If someone says, "Hey, I cannot follow all the procedures not working for me," so the video is fully. So that's why I do videos about 20 minutes, so you can check everything that has been done. Cluster is created. Let's check create a namespace. Doing some deployments. Are gonna be showing everything on workloads and services. Gonna scale for replicas. You're gonna be available in fill everything. Getting the production stuff. Can see everything from there. Let's do a curl on my front end version. Creating a repository inside of GCP. Let's configure the Git for us. Configure the username also. Let's push everything to my repo. I was lost trying to find the source repositories. This is a Go application. Now I'm going to create a trigger, build trigger. All my deployment stuff, and with that, maybe we can create a cloud build kind of a small pipeline. You can check everything I've been doing and simulate also the same. Also, you can get my repo on GitHub/James Medic. It's my repo. Okay, let's push all of that, create a new feature branch. Let's create them. Let's change something. It's not such a nice changing things from here. Maybe I can go to the source repositories and do the thing. Version 2. Yeah. Let's push it. Let's change other thing. Let's see. Where else can I change? Uh, Fair enough. Here's the REPL. Those Kubernetes commands I don't have to explain, I guess. It's exporting. Okay. Let's create a cloud build in a nutshell. There are other repo I was working before. It's gonna take a while this builds. In my opinion, should have already been done, but before than 5 minutes, that should have been completed. Those failures after I check why. Let's check it. Let's check our trigger. Wait. Save it. We just changed it. Double checking. Triggering as expected. Here we can check out the results also build log where it's been failing or not. Should not fail. In case you're checking how the pipeline is being. Let me check those do Sarah's backend and front end timeout to do maybe they're doing some ping on the fly on the deployment stuff that should have been done. Very just experimental stuff I'm doing right now. It's everything on the fly. Let's create a namespace. There's no sir. Let's see what I have with services. I think there's nothing, or yeah, as expected. Not even pods, not even deployments, not even servers, not even secrets, not even maps. Namespace production, perfect. Hasn't merged with the master stuff. Let's merge it. Deployment must be done in production. I mean you can see how many triggers it has pushed. Any merge, it does that. That's something I really would prefer to avoid. How many things you consume with a simple deliver. You can change those things here. You can see the version is expected as the version 3.0.0. So everything that I changed on the feature branch was delivered. As expected, remember I changed the orange class of GSS, CSS. Let's just stop this. There are many shells open and all of them failure one. If you want to at least succeeded, we're gonna see the changed version. It's not recognizing some of my deployments. So maybe it would be a better idea to change the deployment YAMLs. That's also very expected. Inside a cluster, it should be localhost, but when it's trying to ping on that way, that's 8080, and the other 80. That's the thing. Maybe I have to change. I will be checking info. All of that. Here goes my simple fucking page. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.